a talk about healthy food. Hi, honey, I'm home.
Hi.
Oh no, are you eating chips again?
Yes, I was hungry.
You ate chips yesterday, too.
I know, but I like them.
You eat too many chips.
They taste good.
They do, but they are not healthy.
Come on, they're only chips.
I think you eat too much junk food.
I don't think so.
I do.
Why are you worried?
Because I care about you.
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You have gained a lot of weight in the last 6 months.
Really?
Yes.
I didn't notice.
Your clothes are tighter now.
Maybe a little.
I don't care about your weight.
You don't?
No, I care about your health.
I understand.
I want you to feel good and stay healthy.
Thank you.
So, what would you like for dinner?
Maybe we can order a pizza.
Pizza again?
Or we can order hamburgers.
We had hamburgers 3 days ago.
They were really good.
I know, but we cannot eat fast food all the time.
Then what do you want to eat?
I can cook chicken with rice and a salad.
That sounds a little boring.
Maybe, but it is much healthier.
I really want pizza.
How about healthy food today and pizza another day? Please.
Okay.
Really?
Yes, I will try.
Thank you. That makes me happy.
But next week, I want pizza.
We'll talk about that next week.
That is probably a no.
Maybe.
Okay, I will help you make dinner.
Thank you. Shopping for healthy food. I have the shopping list on my phone.
Great. What do we need?
We need chicken, rice, vegetables, fruit, yogurt, eggs, and whole wheat bread.
That is a lot of healthy food.
That is the plan. Come on, let's get a shopping cart.
Okay.
First, let's get some vegetables.
We need carrots, tomatoes, and lettuce, right?
Yes, and don't forget the cucumbers.
Here they are.
Perfect. Now let's get some fruit.
We already have apples at home.
I know, but we need strawberries and bananas too.
Okay.
Now we need yogurt.
Which one do you want?
The plain yogurt.
Here it is.
Thank you.
Oh, look. The chips are on this shelf.
I had a feeling you would say that.
Can I buy one bag?
Not these.
Why not?
They have a lot of salt and fat.
But I ate healthy yesterday.
I know, and I'm happy about that.
So what is the problem?
One healthy day is not enough.
I know.
Eating healthy is a long process. It takes time.
I guess you are right.
Look at these.
What are they?
They are vegetable chips.
Are they good?
Yes, they are much healthier, and they taste good.
Okay, I will try them.
Great.
Oh, I also want some Coke.
Which one?
This one.
Please take the sugar-free one.
Is there a big difference?
Yes, it has no sugar.
Does it taste the same?
It tastes a little different, but I like it.
Okay, I will try it.
Thank you.
What are we having for dinner today?
I'm going to make vegetable soup.
Vegetable soup?
Yes, it is healthy and I think you will like it.
I hope so.
And for dessert, we will have strawberries with yogurt.
That sounds good.
See? Healthy food can be delicious.
Maybe you are right.
I know I am.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
I will keep trying.
That is all I want. Time for a checkup. Can we talk for a minute?
Of course. What is it?
When was the last time you went to the doctor?
I don't remember.
Really?
Yes. I think it was a long time ago.
I think you should make an appointment.
Why?
Because I want to make sure you are healthy.
But I'm fine.
I know, but it is good to have a checkup.
Do you think something is wrong?
No, I don't. I just want you to take care of yourself.
I understand.
A doctor can check your blood pressure and do some basic tests.
That sounds like a good idea.
I'm happy you think so.
I haven't been to the doctor for a long time.
That is why you should go.
Okay. I will make an appointment this week.
Thank you.
Is that all?
Not really.
What else?
I think you should move more.
I know.
You spend too much time sitting.
That's true.
You sit in front of the computer for hours.
Yes.
Then you watch TV in the evening.
I know. I don't move very much.
You don't have to go to the gym right away.
Really?
Yes, we can start with something easy.
Like what?
We can go for walks together.
I like that idea.
We can also go swimming.
I like swimming.
Great! We can go to the pool this weekend.
That sounds good.
You don't have to do everything at once.
You're right.
The important thing is to start.
Maybe we can try the gym too.
Really?
Yes. It might be fun.
I would love that.
We can go together.
Of course.
I think it will be easier together.
I think so too.
So this week, I will make an appointment with the doctor.
Good.
And this weekend, we will go to the gym.
Perfect.
Thank you for helping me.
You are welcome.
I want to be healthier.
I know, and I will help you. First day at the gym. Are you ready?
I think so, but I'm a little nervous.
Why?
It is my first time at the gym.
Don't worry. Everyone has a first day.
I know, but I don't know how to use these machines.
That's okay.
What if I do something wrong?
You won't. I will help you.
Thank you.
We don't have to exercise for a long time today.
Really?
Yes. Today is just the beginning.
That makes me feel better.
Let's start with the treadmill.
Okay.
Walk slowly first.
Like this?
Yes, perfect.
This is not so bad.
I told you.
How long will we stay on the treadmill?
About 20 minutes.
That sounds good.
Great. Now let's go to the exercise bike.
Okay.
This one is easy to use.
I like it.
Good.
There are so many muscular men here.
Yes, there are.
I want to look like them one day.
You can do it, but it takes time.
I know.
The most important thing is to exercise regularly.
I will.
Really?
Yes. I want to train regularly.
I'm very happy to hear that.
I think this is a good start.
I think so too.
We did more than I expected.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
How do you feel?
I'm a little tired, but I feel good.
That's great.
You know what?
What?
It wasn't that bad.
I knew you would say that.
I want to come here regularly.
We will come together.
Thank you for bringing me here.
You're welcome.
A few months later. Honey, you won't believe how much weight I have lost.
Really?
Yes.
I can see a big difference.
Really?
Yes. Let me guess. 6 kilograms?
No.
Okay, tell me.
I have lost 10 kilograms.
Wow, 10 kilograms?
Yes.
That's an amazing result after only 3 months of healthy eating and training.
I still can't believe it.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
You worked very hard.
I did.
I remember your first day at the gym. You were so nervous.
I know. I didn't even know how to use the machines.
And now you use them without any problems.
Yes, it is much easier now.
You also eat much healthier now.
That's true.
You don't eat chips every day anymore.
No, I don't. I feel much better now.
Really?
Yes, I have more energy every day.
I can see that.
I also sleep much better.
That is wonderful.
I don't feel tired all the time anymore.
That makes me very happy.
I went to the doctor this morning.
What did the doctor say?
He said my test results are much better now.
That's fantastic.
He also said my blood pressure is much better.
See, I told you that eating healthy and exercising would help.
You were right. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
How about we celebrate tonight?
I would love that.
We can make a healthy dinner.
Great idea.
We can have grilled chicken, rice, and vegetables.
That sounds delicious.
And for dessert, we can have fruit salad.
Perfect.
I also want to plan a trip with you.
Really? Where?
Let's go to the mountains next weekend.
I would love that.
We can go hiking and enjoy nature.
That sounds perfect.
I think it will be a great weekend.
I think so too.
Thank you for believing in me.
Always.
I love you.
I love you too. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thanks so much, and good luck with your English learning.